So GoCo started back in 2020. The two founders, Josh and Jared, were wanting to get in the van world, and they found me as a fabricator and builder, and I was just like a duck to water, man. I just loved building vans right out of the gate. We built for about a year to really start to find what other van builders needed. And so now we moved to almost exclusively making these ABS parts for really like difficult spots in vans. B-pillars, C's and D's, and then like inserts and things like that. Stuff that are difficult and time consuming for other van builders. So one of our like more flagship over-the-counter products are these B-pillars right here, and these actually have the audio in them. They're really great. The install is in like 2 minutes for the entire front kit, and it has a little ledge, really nice termination points, and it makes building a lot more painless, and it's a sharp look. As a carpenter and a metal worker, when I really got to building my first van, I did some sitting back on a stool and just drinking a beer, looking like, how in the hell am I going to finish off these? So that's why I brought our sculptor in, Brad, and we started to first sculpt them out of foam, pouring them out of foam, and then we got into the thermal forming, and that has just changed the world. It changed how we build vans, and everyone around us how they build vans. So, as a builder, a lot of us are artists in what we do, and so what our pieces really allow, they kind of disappear. They melt into the van, and they allow you to do the things that are fun to you. So for me, like building a custom kitchen's fun, building a custom control panel's fun, and that way ours just allow you to focus on the stuff that you want to do. So I've got the 48 volt Nomadic X3, and this thing's badass. It's 48 volt, and it just plugs, basically it does a direct plug into the EcoFlow power system, and it's badass, it's efficient, and one of my favorite things about this particular AC unit is just how sleek it looks on the inside. If you're really trying to spend time in your van, I mean, you want to be comfortable, right? You want your girl to be comfortable. You want everybody to be comfortable. You want to have a good time. So like AC, just especially if you're out doing activities, you want to come back and have some relief. And that van is your safe space, and you want to have a good working air conditioner helps that. You can find me and our products at gocodeoverland.com. Come check us out.